Are you thinking about pivoting? In this online space, in finance and real estate, business consulting, everybody is talking about the P word, pivoting, how they can merge their marketing strategy, how they can change their positioning. And in this video, I want to break this down for you and give you a new perspective that no one is talking about. So, number one, I want you to go look back at my last post because I told you about how I got 20 clicks in one email for my email list. I wanted to re-engage my subscribers, and rather than doing the regular re-engagement sequence, I was like, you know what? What if I actually send an ebook that's simply for my email subscribers, not a lead magnet, not trying to drive more leads. I want to nurture those who are already loyal, already there, already inquired. And this one email that I sent, short copy, plain text, straight to the point, on my email list, as a masterful email marketing copywriter, I keep it simple. I send plain text emails. I don't want too many graphics. One, it's going to make me hit spam. It can possibly make you hit spam. Two, it's going to bulk down and give too many distractions for the audience. We got to think big on buyer psychology and user experience, UX design. In copywriting and marketing, UX design and email tells you that you need to use plain text emails when you want people to click the email. So that's like the context I want to tell you. So I wrote this short copy like, hey, I have this new lead magnet, 5 little known ways to get more leads for your finance business, okay? I sent that to my email list. Again, this is only available to my email list, and so if you want this, you're gonna wanna subscribe at the link in bio at Tiffy G Rice. Go on ahead and subscribe to my email list. It's only for my email subscribers. And so this PDF document is 9 pages. I drafted it from my blogs. This is why I tell you all the time, since 2016, I've been blogging and I have not stopped. And my type of blogging is the masterful SEO expert blogging, like 1,500 word posts, 2,000 word blogs that I then distribute into an ebook. So that's where the idea of the blog came from. This is why for my business, I have so many pieces of content. I have so many ebooks that I can write and create. And I've shifted my mindset. This was actually part of my positioning and my pivot. I'm like, okay, I have enough leads, okay? I'm growing my lead base. I'm doing some summits. I'm interacting. I'm getting traction from different sources. I've diversified lead acquisition. So that tells me, and you may be in the same boat, if you have thousands and thousands of subscribers, if you have a high ticket service, you know at any given time, all you need to do is convert a couple of leads and you're gonna have tens of thousands, 20s of thousands, 30s of thousands pretty quickly. And so these ebooks are an excellent ROI, but the positioning, the trick is that it has to be just for your subscribers because we need that exclusivity. We need that urgency, okay? So that was part of my just marketing pivot. It's not a total brand pivot, but it's different from the way that I would typically create ebooks and create them for a bigger audience. Now, switching into the next topic that is still within pivoting. We are reaching this time, and I know you're experiencing this too. Everyone that's been an entrepreneur for nearly a decade, over a decade, even those of you who have been entrepreneurs for 5 years but have reached a level of success pretty quickly, you have repeat clients, you have referrals, you have your marketing that's working for you, whether it's email marketing, your podcast, your live videos, whatever it is. If you're running Facebook ads, we have clients who run Facebook ads and we nurture their audience. But those of us who have been in business for a while are coming into this time that reminds us of our beginning days. The weight is feeling heavier because we're entering this new realm and a new height in business where it's like, I haven't been this CEO before. I've reached a lot of success in my business. I've served over 230 different companies. I've collectively helped my clients generate over $21 million to date, working with the biggest and best brands, as well as helping small entrepreneurs and smaller brands. But we're at this level, and I know you can relate to this. We're at this level where it's like, okay, I haven't been this CEO before. I'm in an excellent spot. I'm in a great spot. Revenue is flowing. My business is working. Everything's functioning properly. But I'm at a level that I haven't been. This is new territory. This is new growth. This is new scaling, okay? Everything is brand new. And so I just wanted to tell you that I relate to you with that. I understand that. I empathize with that. And something that we have to do, we're just going to have to hone in and stay grounded on what works for our business. Look at the data, amplify your marketing to see what works. I do this for clients. Again, if you're not spending at least 20 to 30% of your marketing budget on data analysis, or on a marketing director that also includes data analysis so you guys can make informed decisions, then you may want to realign that. Because even for my clients, when we're writing the email strategy, when I'm writing their content, I'm writing the email strategy and presenting it. I'm presenting it based off the previous month's data, based off the previous 3 months' data, so we know what direction to change the positioning. There's no way you can pivot without looking at the data. I want you to remember that. I want you to save this video. I want you to double tap on the video, and I want you to share it for another CEO entrepreneur that needs to see it, okay? And then go ahead and hit the link in my bio at Tiffy G Writes, or view my Instagram stories, because I wrote a new blog that you're gonna want to see. You're gonna want to see this blog. I'll see you at the link in my stories.